Manipurda President rule thamlakpadagi hojik faubada security force na nongmai yauna tongan ba Khutsu Khutlai Lising Ahum gi Mathakta Phagatpa Ngamle haina Manipur gi Governor Bhalla na phongdokre wafam asi Manipur laingak na senduna pangthokpa humbudra mapan suba India gi Independence Day gi thoramda phongdokibani Ahum Manipur Rifles ki parade ground da pangthokpa thoram adu Governor Bhalla na India gi machu ahum gi firal chingkatuna hogdokki mahiroi sing yauna NCC amadi tongan ba security force ki apunba contingent kuntraga humdogi mass part parade su Governor na salami okki tungda mathau ningthina tawbagi damak retired MPS officer ama IPS ama yauna makoi taragani thoida manapiduna pukning thogatki Athoiba mithung lengi warol piraduna Governor Bhalla na hai state amadi central government na tongan ba CSO amadi miyam galoina na hotnabadagi state asida tangdu laitaba fibamda hanjilak pahore adubo mapung fana mahusagi tangdu laitaba fibamda hanjilak na ba tongan ba thabak kaya paikhatpagi tangai fadabadi leiri magna makhata na hai haukhiba tha Taruk asida yamlaba drug kayasu fabangam kibagaloinana miyamdagi aingi wangmada namhaduna sel khaibigi thogdoka mari lenana miyoi chamri henasu fare miyamnasu khetnaba wakal thadoktuna amata oina nungsi chanana hingminnaba hotnabada mateng pangbiyu haina phongdoki amaromda PR lengak asina paikhalakiba thabak thoram sing amamamtang oina panduna singthaki Anglo Manipur Warda Thauna Fanalanteng Nakiba Manipur gi Athauba Singbusu Bhalla na ikai khumnaba utpa phongdoki amadi kumja lising amaga jamapan supna mari amadi lising amaga jamapan kuntraga mapan gi nupi lan ningsingduna lamdam asigi nupi singbu awangba thakta ikai khumnaba utki
This historic occasion, the 79th Independence Day, the triumph of our forefathers laid the foundation of this great nation that we are privileged to call our motherland. The Anglo-Manipur War of 1891 is a testament to the valor and resolve of our people. Even in the face of overwhelming odds, Pauna Brajbashi, Bir Tikendrajit, Thangal Journal and the valiant fighters of Manipur stood firm, refusing to bow before tyranny. Their courage and tragic sacrifices that followed will forever remain etched in our hearts as a symbol of resistance and patriotism. In the pages of history, be it the Anglo-Manipur War of 1891 or the first Nupilal of 1904 or the second Nupilal of 1939, Manipur has been a stronghold of resistance, a symbol of bravery and an inspiration to the entire nation. The contributions of Manipuri women, in particular in defying British oppression, continue to inspire generations as a symbol of women empowerment. In Manipuri, Manipurgi Ningol Singi, Thaunabu, Aina Avangba, Thakta Ikai Kumanjai.